In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about logging out of all devices on Discord. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, if you have multiple devices or you want to just close out of any other sessions you have up. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Discord, select the U icon in the bottom right corner to open up your profile page, and then select the settings gear button up in the top right. Underneath account settings, you want to select where it says devices. So in order to actually go about signing out of other devices on Discord, you have to just change your password. So there's a little hyperlink here to please change your password. You would go through that process, typing in your old password, then your new password, and then that would automatically sign you out of any old sessions on other devices potentially. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.